guys, it is Grace.
And it's Grace.
From Grace and Grace.
And today we have teamed up with Sunkissed.
The reason we have teamed up with Sunkissed is to bring you these prom looks. They have sent us all of their new cosmetic range as well as all their new tan products to show you guys this glowing prom look and how to do it. What I need is a tutorial. We're also going to be telling you guys our favourite out of their products and just go through it.
Yes.
So keep on watching. Okay, so here is the box that it came in.
So pretty. And it says Sunkissed right here.
So should we open it? Take
Yeah.
a look inside.
Bronzers.
Shimmers.
Oh my god.
These look so
Look at these
nice.
balls. So
CC
excited.
palettes.
And we love our
We
fake
love
tan.
fake tan. Look at these palettes. They're like holographic. They look so nice. Very excited to dive in here and create a look.
Yeah.
So let's get back up and let's create some prom looks. So we do already have foundation on, so we can just get straight in with the look. Okay, so we have the CC Flawless Colour Correcting Palette.
I'm going to go in with like the concealer shade.
Yeah,
Just
to
to like
conceal these
and
bags.
highlight under my eyes.
Yeah.
So we don't want no bags at our prom, do we?
No.
As you guys can see, we've got all different shades and like different colour correcting that you can highlight with these. You can correct your green, you can correct anything. Today I'm going to be using the yellow one up here.
And I'm going to go with the same one.
Yeah, it's conceal.
It looks like a very, very nice, like flattering shade. So this shade is really like creamy and very lightweight. So it feels like it's going to be really, really nice to blend.
I'm just going to take some on my finger just to kind of warm up the product, and then I'm just going to place it underneath my eyes.
It's very, very easy to move and to get where you want it to. It's not stiff at all, which I really like.
Very easy and nice to blend, as you guys can see. It's giving me like a really nice highlight against my my skin because it's quite tanned. I'm just going to do a bit of highlighting on my chin as well, just to bring kind of the light to those areas.
It looks quite natural, which is really nice, so it doesn't look cakey. So next we're going to be using the CC Mineral Pearls. So it is the like same thing as the palette but in mineral version.
And I think this will just set our face in really nicely.
Yeah.
And because it's got all of the different kind of colours.
Yeah, I think it's going to really even out the skin tone.
Yeah, because obviously right now, I guess the highlight and the foundation are quite different colours, so it can kind of bring it all together.
So I'm just going to dip my brush in here, just kind of swirl it around. Give us a swirl.
Just giving it a swirl, and we're going to kind of set all of our face in.
It applies really, really nicely actually.
And I can definitely see my skin tone has kind of been evened out.
So because these are enriched with vitamin E, I can definitely kind of feel a soft kind of glow to it. Like it's not really mattifying.
It's still kept my glow to like my foundation and my concealer, but
it still kind of set the foundation.
yeah,
which
you
is
don't
nice.
want to be oily on your prom.
So we have been sent so many bronzers.
Because their whole brand is about bronzy glow and
Just that,
all
kind of
stuff.
tan finish.
Yeah.
So it's going to be really, really hard to pick one bronzer to use.
I'm going to be using the Sunkissed Bronze and Glow Bronzing Pearls.
I'm going to be using the Hello Sunshine Matte Bronzer to bronze up my face and give myself a really nice kind of glow to my face. Ooh. This is a really like nice colour. It's not too orange and it's not too brown, it's just the perfect shade.
As you guys can see, this is kind of giving me like a blushy glow, I'd say. So if you want like a mixture between a blush and a bronzer, I feel like the pearls really give both.
I really, really like that. I may even say this is my favourite product I've used so far. We are at the end, we are going to say like our one holy grail product.
Yeah.
But this is in the lineup to be one of my favourites. So I think I'm actually going to give the Carnival Crush cheek palette a go because this also has another kind of bronzy dark colour in it. Nice and easy to blend. I would say that they're really just kind of glide on, they're not harsh to blend at all.
So I'm going to be going in with the Bronze Architect face palette, and I'm going to be using the contour shade because I feel like that bronzer has given me like a nice like blushy glow. However, I want to kind of chisel out my cheeks right now.
And then for highlighter, I'm going to go in with So basically this is their Baked to Perfection Blush Highlight Duo. But one side there's this really like beautiful pink, and on the other side there's this kind of whitey shade. So I think I'm going to take that and highlight myself.
Really pleased with that. I feel like it's really chiseled out my cheeks. And it also comes with a blush and a highlight. So I think I'm going to go in with both of those just because I'm really feeling this palette right now.
Whoa, that is such a nice highlight.
So I'm just going to be going in with the blush shade.
Especially for prom, you want like an amazing glow. This is just the one.
So now I'm going to be going in with that highlight shade. So pretty.
They're
unreal. Their highlight, yeah, they've really got.
They've got it going with their highlighters. They know what's good.
I think this might even be my favourite so far because
that palette.
I feel like it comes with everything you could ever need.
Yeah.
A bronzer just to get you started with your bronze, and then a contour just to really chisel out, and then your blusher, you need a blush. Highlight is unreal. So
is that your hero product?
I think this might be my hero product.
We have two eyebrow products. They are both 2-in-1 brow pencils with brushes, and one is in fair to medium and one is into medium to dark.
I love an eyebrow pencil.
And their packaging's really cute, like it's all pink, purples. Okay, so you get like a really decent amount of product. Oh my god, look how much you get.
Whoa.
That's not even like all the way, I'm just scared to snap it, but you get a lot of product, which is really, really good for eyebrow pencils.
You can really carve out the brows really well with an eyebrow pencil as well, do you know what I mean? Oh, it's very, very soft. Like, I have used eyebrow pencils in the past that are really like scrapey, like you really have to scrape to get product out, but this is just gliding on.
It feels like
so
silk.
Smooth. Yeah. Now we've done our eyebrows, we're going to be using some eye products.
So they sent us two eye palettes. So this is the Sunkissed Au Natural eyeshadow palette, and it kind of looks like a bit of a set because it also comes with an eyelid primer.
And then they've also sent us the I Must Have eyeshadow and highlighter palette.
Both try out the eyeshadow primer.
Okay.
Good. It's like highlighty.
That's a good thing though.
That
gives us like a nice glowy base.
That is so nice. Like I would wear that just by itself.
Yeah,
honestly.
with like a little crease colour. That could look so pretty. So excited to get into this palette because look at those shimmers. Oh my god, they look so pretty.
I'm gonna do like a quite dark, smoky eye.
Yeah.
And you are doing a
kind of like a just goldy kind of look.
Call me crazy, but I'm actually going to take from the Carnival Crush Cheek palette the really nice kind of light shade from here for my transition shade. That is such a nice transition shade. That kind of light brown in this palette is so nice. And I'm also going to take the kind of dark brown as well.
I'm going to take this shade right here. It's just like a nice shimmery colour, but also it's quite dark. Brings some depth to the look. I really like that eyeshadow primer. That's given me such a nice, like, glowy.
It is really, really nice.
Base.
I really like how that blended out, so I'm just going to do the exact same thing onto the other eye.
Okay, I'm now going to take that gold. I'm really excited for this part.
Okay, so now we're back. Let's do the lip.
I'm going to go in with a nude just because the eye looks quite bold. I think I'm going to take this one.
That's what I was going to do.
Really?
Let's just both do the same.
Oh, this is a really nice nude, look. Can you see that?
Yeah. Yeah, the lip stuff is really, really nice and creamy.
That's what I love about it.
And you would think it's nice because it's in a palette, you get a lot of shades for your money, but also they're really easy to mix and use. Like, we like to mix these.
You can basically make your own colour, which I think is really cool.
Done?
Done.
Okay, everybody, so we are now done with the makeup. So we're gonna go and get our prom dresses on and we're gonna get back to you.
Yes.
Guys, we are ready to go to prom. So this is our prom look, using all of the Sunkissed products, which are all under £10.
We hope you guys love the looks that we've created because we absolutely love them as well. It's so pretty.
Yeah.
Look at that highlight. Oh my god.
So my hero product has got to be the Baked to Perfection blush and highlight duo, and the white side is what I used because I just love it.
I would 100% have to say my hero product is the Bronze Architect face palette, just because
it comes with everything.
It comes with everything you could ever want for like bronzing, highlighting and blushing. It's just got everything, and the shades are so perfect, they just complement each other so well. And yeah, I'm really pleased with how my makeup turned out, and thanks to this, I'm glowing.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs it up and subscribe.
We can definitely say for ourselves that these makeup looks make us feel really confident,
yeah,
and glowing, and just overall just.
And that's what Sunkissed brand's all about. It's all about empowering. And we're really happy with the looks, and we hope you guys followed along and are going to have a great time at your prom.
Yes.
And have a fabulous time.
And maybe even have a go at recreating some of these looks.
Yes. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you so much, Sunkissed, for working with us.
Bye.